Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel on what is a bleak and miserable summer's day here in Melbourne. It is the end of January, and normally I expect it to be quite warm, but it is anything but today. It's wet, misty, foggy, windy and bone-chillingly cold. I'm actually wearing quite a thick jumper, which I normally would not be wearing this time of year at all. So today I've travelled to the outskirts of Melbourne, to the Yarra Ranges. And normally, if you watch any of my videos, you would see sort of a montage of me getting to the area and looking for the birds, but it's not going to happen today just because the weather's so bad. All it would be was just rain. But today I'm in search of one of my most favourite Australian birds, and that's the pink robin. I love these birds so much just because they're this outrageous candy pink colour. Alright, let's see if we can get some footage of the robins. I have found a pair just here at the side of the road. I'm actually having to stay really close to my car just because the weather's so bad that the rain comes through and then I have to make a mad dash for cover. Alright, let's see if we can get any footage of them. There's nothing too complex about what I'm trying to do here. As I said, there's actually two male pink robins in this area, which is really unusual. Normally they'd sort of chase each other off, but they seem to be tolerating each other quite well. And there's a series of different perches here in these sort of dead trees that they're using. So all I'm doing here is setting up in a good position, paying attention to my background again, making sure it's nice and clear. Although I'm not sure how it's going to turn out because it's so foggy that half the time it just looks white. But anyway, trying to make sure that I have a clear background and just waiting for the birds to come on the perches. I'm just changing my shooting positions just to get a variety of different angles with the birds. And now all I'm doing is waiting. They must be on a lunch break or something because they've taken off and they haven't come back for a while. Retreat back into the car once again. My God. Have a look at this, it's bloody ridiculous. Almost complete whiteout with fog. Right, so our friend has gone deeper into the forest and I followed him in. With that comes an additional two issues. One is obviously it's much darker in here, so I have to really crank the ISO, decreasing my shutter speed a bit, but fortunately I've got my tripod to counteract that. The other thing is, where he's gone, there seems to be these huge march flies everywhere. Now, for those of you who aren't Australian, march flies are these big biting flies that when they get you, it really hurts. It's like being bitten by a shark. So in between taking photos, I'm having to swat them away to sort of maintain some of my sanity. was pretty awesome to see him with that grub in his mouth still chirping away. Well, I really hope you enjoyed seeing those pink robins. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you back on the channel under some better weather conditions very soon.